Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TK Maths S1. In today's video, which is video number 3 on inequality, we will see two challenging questions, which is basically word problem. In the previous videos, we have seen these type of questions. And this is a series of video which is actually covering all the concepts. Not all, few concepts of year 7 and 8. So these are the concepts. So we'll find the link in the description below. So far we have made video 1 and video 2. So if you will subscribe the channel, as videos will be uploaded, you will get the indication immediately. So let's start solving this question. Annie, Beth and Carly go shopping. Annie spent M pounds. So this is M. Beth spent twice as much as Annie. It will be 2M. Carly spent 5 pounds more than Annie. So it will be what? M plus 5, right? And now what is happening? The total amount of money spent is more than 60 pounds. So you have to write an inequality, because question is saying write down in terms of M an inequality to show this information. So you only have to write down the inequality first of all. Always read the question properly. Whatever is asked, you must have to answer that part. You must have to show it on the paper also to get the marks. So now according to algebra, these terms are equals to 4M. So why do we call it challenging? Because we are including the concept of algebra also here. So now it will be 4M is greater than 55, which means M is greater than 55 divided by 4. You can do long division to calculate it. So it will be 13.75, right? Now next part of the question. Achha, by the way, this I should not have done here. I should have done only, let me tell you, 1 minute. So you can write it till here if you want. That's all. This part you can leave behind. Okay. So inequality you are writing, so you can write it like this. But if you include this also, there is no harm in it. Now, next part of the question is saying how much at least each girl has spent. So we know that Annie spent M amount, Beth spent 2M amount, and Carly M plus 5. And because question was saying at least 60, so everyone has spent more than whatever the answer of M will come. I'm repeating this information. More than M, more than 2M, more than M plus 5. Why I'm saying more than? Because the least amount was more than 60. So let's start seeing how much they spent. For M, the answer is coming greater than 13.75. So which integer is the next, or which is the next whole number after 13.75? Very good. It is 14. So M spent the least amount is 14. So I can say Annie, the least amount is 14 pound. Now let's see Beth. It was 2M. So 2M means 2 times 13.75, which is what? You multiply it by 2, because calculator is not allowed to you. So you will calculate it properly. So your answer will come 27.5. So what is greater than 27.5? The next whole number. Absolutely right. It is 28. So Beth spent 28. So by the way, please remember one thing, very, very important. I am not rounding off. The misunderstanding done by student is they start rounding off. Even if I have gotten here answer, for example, 27.3, even then my answer would be 28. Because the next whole number after 27.3 is 28. So do not mix up the concept of rounding off here. I am not rounding off. I am seeing the next whole number after these decimal values. Okay. Now Carly. So it was M plus 5, which means 13.75 plus 5, which is what? 18.75. So what is the next whole number which comes? Absolutely right. That is 19. So she spent at least 19 pounds. Okay, I hope you understood this question. If you need any clarification, you can write the comments in the below. Now let's see one more question. Lee is 11 years old. Toby is 8 years younger than Lee. When it is younger, it means you will minus from Lee's age. So this is the age of Toby and this is the age of Lee. What is sum saying? The sum of their ages. So it means y plus y minus 8. What it is saying? Less than 41. So you will use the symbol of this. By the way, when you will put less than equals to, if the question will say the most they have, right? So maximum it could be 41. So you will write less than equals to 41. So be very careful about the words which are used here when you are forming the inequality. So it will become 2y less than 41 plus 8. So what it will be? You can stop here also for the information and you can do few step more also. No problem. So it will be 49 divided by 2. That's all. You will not solve it further. Now it is saying work out the oldest age that Lee can have. Now Lee was y. So now you need to see what is 49 divided by 2 in decimal. Right? So you will do long division and you will get the answer 24.5. So y is less than 24.5. So what is the maximum number of integer if you see this inequality? Because if you start writing integers here, they will be what? 24, 23, 22, 21 and so on. So what is the largest number here? So that is the oldest age Lee can have in this situation. So answer will be 24. You understood? So these are the two questions I took, and now in the next video I will start Pythagoras theorem. So thank you very much for watching. Please press like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz. By the way, this is not video 2. That was a mistake. First of all, I will make video 1 of Pythagoras. So in inequality I have made altogether 3 videos. Take care. Allah Hafiz.